Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, friends. Uh, my name is Devali Kashnath Tremak, and my seminar topic fermented food. Fermented food. Introduction of fermented food. Fermented foods are an extremely important part of human diet, and worldwide may contribute to as much as one third of human diet. Different types of fermented food is used in butter, cheese, bread, fermented vegetables, fermented meat, etc. The scope of food fermentation ranges from producing alcohol, beverages, fermented milk, and vegetable products to genetically engineered superbugs to carry out efficient fermentation to treatment and utilization of waste and overall producing nutrition and safe products with appealing qualities. Fermented definition. Fermented foods are those food produced by modification of raw material of either animal or vegetable origin by the activities of microorganisms, bacteria, yeast, and molds. Can be used to produce a diverse range of products that differ in flavor, texture, and stability from the original raw material or fermented foods are those which are subjected to action of microorganisms or enzymes to get desirable biochemical changes and cause significant modification to food. Concept of fermentation. In biochemical sense, the term fermentation refers to the metabolic process in which organic compounds, particularly carbohydrates, are broken down to release energy without the involvement to terminal electron acceptor, such as oxygen. Particle partial oxidation of the substrate occurs so that only relatively small amount of ATP energy is released compared with the energy generated if a terminal electron acceptor is involved. Partial oxidation of carbohydrate can give rise to a variety of organic compounds. The compounds produced by microorganisms vary from organism to organism and are produced by different metabolic pathways. The term fermentation can also be applied to any industrial process that produce a material that is useful to humans, and if the process depends on the activity of one or more microorganisms. These processes, known as industrial fermentations, are usually carried out on large scale and in vessels in which organisms are normally grown in liquid media. Some industrial fermentation in biochemical sense, but the majority are aerobic process in which the microorganism use oxygen and metabolic carbohydrate completely. Benefits of fermented food. Fermented foods are extremely valuable addition to human diet for a variety of reasons. Uh, Increase in variety. Fermented foods increase the variety of food that are available, adding to our diet a group of highly nutrition products with unique characteristics. There are, for example, about 1000 different types of cheeses used as ingredients. Fermented foods from important ingredients for a wide variety of dishes and are often used to impact special flavors. Example, pepperoni in pizzas, yogurt in curry, cheese in a whole ranges of dishes, including soups and sauce of in stir fry dishes. Improvement in nutritional quality. The fermentation process may improve the nutritional quality of raw material. Here are some examples. Tap fermentation double the protein content of cassia and increase the level of essential amino acids. The presence of yeast in fermented food will increase the vitamin B content. Anti-nutritional factors such as phytates, glucosinate, and lectins may be removed by fermentation process. Fermented fermentation may produce can increase the availability of minerals. Preservation. Fermentation often preserve a raw material, improving safety with regard to foodborne pathogens and increasing shelf life. Compare the shelf of raw milk, only a few days, with the shelf life of yogurt several weeks. Uh, Health of benefits. Some fermented foods are said to have definite health benefit, although the scientific evidence for this limited report suggested that fermented milk products such as yogurt can reduce serum cholesterol levels and help avoid cancers, particularly those associated with the colon. Bio yogurts, AB and ABT yogurts are said to have steroid effects on the gut microflora, assisting recovery of a normal balanced flora after oral antibiotic therapy. Improved digestibility. Some fermented food are most easily digested than the original raw material. People who can not digest lactose properly, so lactose intolerance, can often consume some types of fermented dairy products, particularly yogurts, without harmful effects. Lactose intolerance is due to the absence of enzymes galactoside is in digestive juice, which converts lactose of glucose and galactose. Ingestion of dairy products leaves an unabsorbed lactose in gut, which is fermented by normal gut flora, giving abdominal pain and diarrhea. The fermentation of milk converts the harmful lactose to more easily digested lactose and the beta galactose. In liver starter culture, organism appears to assist in the digestion of any reduced lactose. Legume examples: soybean contain oligosaccharides such as which are fermented in the gut and the associated social emerging floods. The oligosaccharides are broken down the two readily desirable monosaccharides and disaccharides during mold fermentation of legumes, thus removing of the problem. Uh, Detoxification of raw materials. The fermentation process may remove toxic chemicals present in the raw material. Cashew fermentation of, for example, removes acyclic cyanide producing glycides. Cashew is toxic of eaten raw. Microflora in a fermented food. By tradition, lactic acid bacteria are the commonly used microorganism for preservation of food. Their importance is associated mainly with their safe metabolic activity while growing in food, utilizing available sugar for the production of organic acids and other metabolites. Their common occurrence in the food and feeds coupled with their lived use contributes to their natural acceptance of GRS, generally regarded as safe for human consumption. There are many kinds of fermented foods in which dominant process and end products are contributed by a mixture of endogenous enzymes and other microorganisms like yeast and mold. Very often, a mixed culture originating from the native microflora of the raw materials is in action most of the food fermentation process. However, in an industrial scale, a particular defined starter culture, which has been developed under controlled condition, is first preference, so that the qualities of finished products could be considered mainly that after date. Modern methods of gene methodology makes it possible for the microbiologist to design the develop starter culture with specific qualities. Many microbiology studies deals with the identification of organisms isolated from various fermented foods. Lactic acid bacteria isolated from tomatoes that are naturally fermented under partial anaerobic conditions. These are uh, Leonostoc, Mesenterids, Lactobacillus brevis, and Streptococcus sp. In Asia, mainly molds of the genera Aspergillus rhizos, Mucor, Actinomycor, Amasis, Neurospora, and Monoscus are used in the manufacture of fermented foods. In Europe, mold in ripened foods are primarily cheese and meats, usually using of penicillin species. Very made by fermenting cassia slurry was found on contain Bacillus aspergillus and penicillin species as predominant organism. Lactic acid bacteria, major group of fermentative organism. These groups are compared across 11 genera of gram-positive bacteria. Uh, Carnobacteria, Arsenococcus, Enterococcus, Pediococcus, Lactococcus, Streptococcus, Lactobacillus, Vagococcus, Lactosphaera, Bacillus and Leucostock. Related to this group of genera such as Erococcus, Microbacterium, and Propionibacterium. While this is a loosely defined group with no precise boundaries, all members share the property of producing lactic acid from boxes. As fermenting organisms, they lack the lack fermented function hem linked electron system of cytochromes. They do not have a function Krebs cycles. Energy is of Energy is obtained by substrate level phosphorylation while oxidized carbohydrates. The lactic acid bacteria can be divided into two groups based on the end products of glucose metabolism. Those that produce lactic acid as the measure of sole product of glucose fermentation are digested fermented. Those that produce equal amounts of lactic acid, ethanol, and CO2 are termed heterofermentative. The homolactics are able to extract about twice as much energy from given quantity of glucose of the heterocycle. Lactic acid bacteria group. The lactic acid bacteria are mesophiles. They generally grow over temperature range of about 10 to 40 degrees Celsius, and optimum between 25 to and 35 degrees Celsius. Some can grow below 5 and as high as 4 degrees Celsius. Most can grow in the pH range from 4 to 8, though some as low as 3.2 and is a high 9.6. Starter culture. Traditionally, the fermenting organism come natural microflora portion the very previous fermentation. In many cases, the natural microflora is either efficiency, uncontrollable, and unpredictable, or is destroyed during preparation of the sample prior to fermentation. Example, pasteurization. A starter culture can provide particular characteristic in a more controlled and predictable fermentation. Lactic starter always include bacteria that convert sugars to lactic acid, usually Lactococcus lactic subs lactis, Lactococcus lactic subs sp ceremoris, Lactococcus lactic subs lactic boyodiesel, where flavor and aroma compounds such as diacetyl are desired. The lactic acid starter will include nutritional value of fermented food. There are significant increases soluble fraction of in food during fermentation. The quality and quality of food protein expressed by biological value, and often the content of water soluble vitamins increased, while anti-nutritional factors such as decline during fermentation. Fermentation also result in a lower proportion of dry matter in food, and concentration of vitamins, minerals, and protein appear to increase when measured on dry weight basis. Single as well as mixed culture fermentation of pearl millet flour with yeast and lactobacillus significantly increased the total amount of soluble sugars, reducing and non-reducing sugar content of anti-nutritional factors of safe level in the comparison with other methods of processing. Proteins. The protein efficiency ratio of wheat increases of fermentation partially due to increased availability lies in a mixture of wheat and soybeans in equal amounts provides an improved pattern of amino acid. The fermentation process raises the value mixture to a level which is comparable to that occasion. Fermentation may not increase the content of protein and amino acid unless amino or urea is added as nitrogen source of the fermentation media. The relative nutrition value of maize increased 65% up to 81% when it is germinated, and fermentation of flour made of the germinated maize gives a further increase in relative nutritional value to 87%. Vitamin during fermentation, certain certain microorganisms produce vitamin at a higher rate than others to fermented milk products in a generally so an increase in folic acid content and slight increase in vitamin B12, while other B vitamins are affected only slightly in comparison to raw milk. The levels of vitamin B12, riboflavin, and folacin are increased by lactic acid fermentation of maize flour, while the level of paradoxin in decreased. And minerals content is not affected by fermentation unless some salts are added to the product during fermentation or by leaching when liquid portion is separated from the fermented food. Sometimes when fermentation is carried out in metal containers, some minerals are solubilized by the fermented product, which may cause an increase in mineral content. Phytate content in bread is lowered when the amount of yeast of fermentation time is raised. Thank you, sir.